Hi sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name is Beth, and if you're new, welcome. I recently shared a new quilt block, and I made quite a few to alternate with some machine embroidered blocks that someone had given me. The blocks were all animals and Noah's Ark, really cute embroidered blocks that I wanted to alternate with a scrappy type block, and here it is on my design wall. And today I'm going to put those blocks together and add a border. I put the scrappy block and the Noah's Ark blocks together in rows, 4 across, and I made 6 rows, and when I was done it measured about 31 by 46. I really like the way this scrappy block alternates with the embroidered squares, and I will leave a link below about how to put that block together. When my quilt top was put together, I did want to make it a little bit bigger, and I have this blue stripe in my fabric stash, and see those little corners I cut off? That means I did wash this fabric, and I think it came from someone else. I typically will wash fabric when I get hand-me-down pieces, and I cut those little corners off so that when I wash the fabric, it does less fraying on that raw edge. So that's kind of my clue that I washed it and it's ready to go. I ended up cutting my top and bottom borders 7 inches wide, and I first added them to my quilt, and then I'll be cutting this striped fabric lengthwise so that the stripes will match up. I really like the way this simple stripe looks going around this quilt. A really nice, simple way to make this quilt quite a bit bigger. After adding these wide borders, my little quilt here grew to 47 inches by 60, which I think is more of a toddler size quilt. Here is that quilt after adding the borders. I think it turned out really great. I love a scrappy quilt, and those striped borders I think look really nice on this quilt. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.